Termite bait systems can be a tricky deal, especially when you're thinking about skipping renewal and handling stuff yourself. So here's the lowdown. First off, if you're thinking of filling those bait stations yourself to save some cash, just remember that termite control isn't really a DIY kind of thing. Those bait systems need regular checks and refills by pros who know what to look for, or else the whole point is lost. You want to keep the termites at bay, right? Second, make sure you understand the agreement you signed when they installed the system. Some companies actually own those bait stations and expect you to pay ongoing fees for maintenance, while others sell the equipment outright. Third, even if the traps are yours, it's worth asking the termite guy why he insists on taking them back. Sometimes there's a safety or liability issue. Fourth, if you're not renewing, ask for a clear plan on what happens next so you're not left with a false sense of security. Fifth, keep an eye out for signs of termites yourself, like mud tubes or damaged wood, so you're not caught off guard. Sixth, if cost is a big worry, shop around for termite inspections or treatments from other licensed pros who might offer better deals. Seventh, consider that a proper termite treatment can save you thousands in repairs down the line, so weigh that cost carefully. And eighth, always get any agreement or cancellation terms in writing so there's no confusion later on. One of the biggest mistakes people make with termite bait systems is thinking they can just fill or maintain the traps themselves without professional help, which often leads to ineffective control and more damage. Another common issue is assuming those bait stations are their property when many times they belong to the pest control company, meaning they have every right to remove them if you stop paying for service. Lastly, not reading or understanding the contract terms around installation and maintenance fees causes a lot of confusion and frustration. The fix here is to ask questions up front and keep copies of everything so you know where you stand. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with reliable local contractors who actually know their stuff, making it easier to find trustworthy help for projects big or small. Plus, it helps contractors grow their business by linking them directly to people who need their skills.